Hello there and welcome to your mid-morning update to this Friday. Weather warnings in force later today and into tomorrow for some heavy rain. The risk of flooding, particularly across southern parts of Wales. Strong winds as well, particularly across England and Wales today, as well as gales across the far north of Scotland. Colder air to the north, warmer air to the south. You can see a squeeze on the isobars here across southern parts as well as the far north. And this waving weather front will continue to feed in the cloud and the rain through Friday into Saturday. Hence the reason why rainfall totals will be so high, with the risk, as I said, of some flooding. And the colder air just clipping the far northern edge of that rain through Friday evening, with the risk perhaps even of some wet snow on the highest ground of the Pennines. So through Friday morning, we watch as this rain pushes in. Gusty winds for southern and central parts of England and Wales. Gusts could reach 40, even 50 miles an hour. Very strong winds, gales across the far north of Scotland with a rash of showers. Drier skies across Scotland, particularly the northeast and eastern Scotland, but cloud will spill ahead here, and then we will see some rain arriving across the central belt of Scotland as well as border regions. Northern Ireland seeing that cloud thicken as well, and through the afternoon we will see some rain for Newry as well as Belfast, and then showers just clipping the far north coast. So windy here as well as outbreaks of rain. Rain then extends across northern England, so some tricky conditions on the roads through evening rush hour across northern England as well as North Wales. Another pulse waiting in the wings through the latter part of Friday. So temperatures will be on the mild side in the south, 16 or 17 Celsius. The air is subtropical. Across the far north, though, it's a very different story. Much colder conditions. You'll really notice the difference here. 7 will be your high, despite the fact some of us seeing some sunshine. Rain warnings in force through Friday into Saturday. Keep an eye on the forecast because that will be updated through the morning into the afternoon. And we are expecting some high rainfall totals. So some nasty conditions overnight tonight into tomorrow as that rain only slowly slips down towards the southeast through Saturday, eventually clearing with some colder air to follow. So through Friday evening, another pulse of heavy rain moves up from the southwest, and that will clip the West Country as well as southern parts of Wales. Some heavy rain to come overnight, a driving wind in the south, hence the reason why we could see some flooding here. And certainly the rainfall will be so relentless across this zone here. That's the Midlands, northern England as well as Wales. Rainfall totals will just continue to rise, and river levels will continue to rise as well, with risk of lots of surface water issues on the roads. It will dry up across southern parts of Scotland through the early hours of Saturday morning. More cloud for Belfast and the southern portion of Northern Ireland, but where we see some clearer skies, temperatures will fall, so that a risk of frost, particularly across central and northern areas of Scotland. Showers continue across the far north there, turning wintry over the higher ground, and then this rain here. If you're travelling on Saturday morning, keep an eye on the forecast, take extra time on your journey. It will eventually clear down towards the southeast, so a wet afternoon to come for East Anglia, central southern England as well as the southeast. And then a few showers just coming and going across the southwest there. An overhang of cloud for northern England, but some brighter skies coming in across the far north of England, border regions as well as Northern Ireland. Still that cold wind in the north, and the source of the air is coming from the poles as we head through Saturday into Sunday. And what that means, it's going to turn a lot colder on Saturday night as that weather front clears down towards the near continent, taking with it those stronger winds, so some clearer skies through the latter part of the evening. It is drying up. Not the case for the north and the west of Scotland. A few showers filing in across Northern Ireland, perhaps even the northwest of England through Saturday evening, but it's going to feel a lot colder. The bigger picture through Sunday, high pressure comes in from the Atlantic. Still that cold wind in the far northeast, but fewer showers. There will be some coastal showers, and it's going to be a cold start to Monday morning with a risk of frost, but certainly the sun will come out and it will be a lot drier. As I said, though, keep up to date with the forecast. We will be updating the warnings as we head through Friday, and certainly take it easy if you are on the roads over the next 24 hours. Bye-bye.